Reserve Bank of India today's update. Reserve Bank of India has released a draft circular proposing that banks must credit inbound foreign remittances on the same business day if received during forest market hours and next business day if after hours to ensure fast and transparent cross-border payments. India's total port capacity has nearly doubled over the decade to 2,762 mmtpa by 2025. Inland waterways cargo movement increased 710% from 18 MMT in 2014 to 146 MMT in 2025. स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार अभियान Women Health Family Welfare Campaign has enabled India to set 3 Guinness World Records: the most registration on healthcare platform in 1 month, most online breast cancer screening sign up in 1 week, and most online vital screening sign up in 1 week at state level. The nationwide marine fisheries census 2025 MFC 2025 has been launched. It is India's first fully digital geo-referenced marine fisheries census covering approximately 1.2 million fisher households across approximately 5,000 marine fishing villages from 3rd November to 18 December 2025. In Madhya Pradesh, despite a physical state debt exceeding rupees 4.60 lakh crore, a committee has recommended doubling wages and perks of MLAs and ex-MLAs within the winter assembly session, expected to finalize the decision. United Nations 80 experts note a decline in the United Nations effectiveness in global governance and the rise of a new multilateralism is becoming more prominent. A unique waste dumping festival was held in Bengaluru to raise awareness. Residents symbolically dumped waste on roads to highlight the need for better solid waste management. The bilateral defense cooperation framework between India and United States has been extended for 10 years. On Rashtriya Ekta Divas, the country paid tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his 150th birth anniversary with major national leaders participating. The emergence of new maritime cluster, green shipping initiative and model share shifts are key pillars in India's plan to become a top 5 sea-building nation by increasing port capacity and maritime skills. In the financial sectors, bank will increasingly be required to integrate straight-through processing (STP) for foreign remittances and reconcile nostro accounts in near real time, as per the draft RBI guidelines. For competitive exam, the daily current affairs emphasizes linking static syllabus. India's inbound port capacity expansion has driven average vessel turnaround time down from 93 hours to 48 hours.